Hi there, here's a step by step guide on setting up a welcome incentive. Please note that the discount code which you would like to use in this welcome incentive should be created in the Shopify admin panel. The discount can then be availed by the customer at checkout, or you can use the discount code in your email marketing campaigns. Now let's get started on setting up the welcome incentive. From the home page of the ModeMagic app, click on Apps from the left side of the screen. Then select Welcome Incentives. Click on Templates and then choose the template of your choice. Now click on Design. Under Design, you can click on each layer and then make the required customizations. You can also click on Styles and then make the customizations according to your brand. Under Design, you can add the discount code under the option called Code. Once you've finished making all of the changes, from the top of the screen you can view how the welcome incentive will appear across different devices. You can also make necessary adjustments to it. Now from the right side of the screen, click on Show on First Time Visit. From here you can set up when should the reminder appear on the customer's screen after 1 day. Now click on Show Welcome Incentives on the center of the page for the home page. This is the default setting of the welcome incentive. That is, it will appear on the home page and at the center of the screen. This setup is already done for your store and you don't have to make any other changes to it. Now click on the Share option. If you have a Klaviyo account, you can go ahead and integrate it from here. Once all of these changes are done, click on Add to Store on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the welcome incentive is activated, you can click on Export Emails and then export all of the emails collected via the welcome incentive. Thank you.